Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we're going to learn Norma Jean Riley by Diamond Rio. If you like my channel, click subscribe below and check out my description to see how you can get involved in my guitar community. So Diamond Rio has a special place in my heart, mainly because I met these guys, and one thing you might not know is that this guitar right here is a B-bender, which was inspired by their guitarist, Jimmy Olander. I always loved his style of playing, and this intro is a pretty neat intro for country players. And the other thing, I got to meet him one time, and this signature down here is a Diamond Rio signature, and I kind of painted over it so that it wouldn't fade off. So if you've noticed that I have a signature, that's who this is down here. But Norma Jean Riley, and we're just going to learn the main riff. It's got a really cool solo at the end of the song that I might get to in a later video. But today we're going to start out with this intro riff. And as we're going through this, guys, there will be a tab below that you can follow along with. And let's get started. So this riff is pretty much playing note for note, almost to the end, a G major scale. So it starts off with this hammer-on from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret, kind of like the Chattahoochee hammer-on. It's very similar to that. It's kind of like that, except for you're gonna stay on this 3rd fret a little bit longer. So it's like, all right, so let's do that together. 1, 2, ready, and all right, now the next part. And the way I'm doing this, sometimes right now I'm only using my pick, but a lot of the times I'll get my finger in there, do a little bit of a hybrid picking so that it gets that snappy sound, kind of twangy sound that country has. But for this part, I'm using my pick all the way through this passage. So you've got that hammer on at the beginning, then it does this. So 2nd, open, 2nd, 3rd. So let's go through that all the way from the beginning. Do that again one more time, and then we'll go to the next part. 1, 2, ready, and so this is where it goes outside of the scale. In a G major scale, there's an F sharp, which would put your finger here, but we're playing the F, so from here, then we slide up to the G. So, okay, so all the way from the beginning, really, really slow. One more time. Ready, and then it's going to go to this bend on the B flat right here, so 3rd fret of the G string. And then I'm just going to play a G open. So okay, and then it does that, it repeats the first part again. And then it goes to this note a little earlier, and it ends. So you bend it still, and then when you go to the G this time, you're going to play the octave. So the G on the 3rd fret of the high E string. So that last part all together sounds like this. Okay, let's do the whole thing together. 1, 2, ready, and... All right, and at that end, I'm popping that higher string with my finger. All right, guys. After this video, I'm gonna have a slow version with the tab that you can follow along with a fast version. If you have a country lick that you'd like to learn, send it my way, and I'll do a video for you. See you next time, guys, and don't forget to click subscribe.